Today I will share with you a quick tip on how to get better video quality out of your ONE X2 using HDR Video Mode. Now this mode is nothing new, it is on the ONE R and ONE X as well, but I do think it is underutilized. This mode will make your 360 video look like it was taken from a more expensive 360 camera. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range, and it basically takes a darker video and a brighter video, combines it together to make a perfectly exposed video. To record HDR video, just tap on the screen, go to Video Mode, and select HDR, and then press record. It really is that easy. You can record in 24 or 25 frames per second, and if you swipe left from the right of the screen, you can select a manual white balance. So let's check out the difference between standard video mode and HDR video mode. Here we are in Trafalgar Square and everything looks pretty similar so far until you see the area around the sun. Standard video mode is clearly blown out and HDR video mode is showing all the details around the bright sun. In this clear blue sky day example in Richmond, just look at how nicely the sun blends into the blue sky in HDR video mode compared to standard video mode. And in this final example, which is extremely challenging for cameras to expose correctly, since there is extreme darkness and brightness in the scene, the HDR video actually looks like what I saw in real life, compared to standard video mode in vivid color and standard video mode in log color. HDR video mode is extremely impressive, but you can only use it in certain situations. You need to make sure that your Insta360 camera is completely still. If you are moving and shooting HDR video, then you're going to see ghosting effects. To shoot all my HDR video shots, I use the Best 360 Monopod, and this will reduce the chance of my 360 camera getting blown over by the wind, and it also keeps my 360 camera nice and stable. It is Black Friday, so the Best 360 Monopod is on offer, so I'll leave a link to it in the video description. And the Best 360 Monopod is made by myself, so if you do buy the Best 360 Monopod, it's going to directly help me support you with more awesome video tutorials on this channel. So if you are considering the Best 360 Monopod, thank you very much in advance for supporting me. You cannot use HDR video mode at night because your video will appear very noisy, so it's best to use HDR video mode during the day. HDR video mode can only go up to 24 and 25 frames per second. I do wish it could go up to 30 frames per second, but hopefully this will improve in the future. Just before I end the video, I thought I'd let you know about the Insta360 Black Friday deals. So if you are considering the ONE R, then they have 15% off at the moment. And then they gave me a special affiliate link for the Black Friday sales, where if you buy the ONE R camera using my affiliate link, then you can also get a selfie stick or a battery free with your purchase. Now, inevitably, I'm going to be asked about the ONE X2, and unfortunately, there is no discount or free accessory at the moment. That's it for this quick tip video. I hope you found it useful. Definitely try out HDR video mode for yourself and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And take care, and I'll see you in the next video.